So hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to remove fungus out of this lens. We are talking about the Nikkor 24 120mm VR version. Some people hate this lens, some people love it. I am not here to discuss that. I'm here to show you how to remove fungus that you can see there. If I zoom out, I take out one of the lenses away from the other so we don't see much reflection, and then you can see 3 spots of fungus that we're going to remove in probably 2 or 3 minutes. So what we're going to do is to open the lens. I'm going to show you. It is tricky, but once you know what needs to be done, it is extremely simple. So we're going to remove the rubber here. So I get a flat tool. You can use also a toothpick. And then what I'm going to do now is with my finger here, I'm just going to push a bit. Okay, and then as you see, while I was rotating, I was pushing with my finger, and then I think we'll need to go over this edge here that we have here, and then you will find yourself with this. There is some sort of tape which is glued here, and then what we're going to do is still with something flat. We'll try to raise it a bit. Here we go, and then there are some things that this cover. I'm not going to remove it entirely because we don't need to. And then here you have a few things, and then there is a screw here, which is the least recessed screw from the rest, and then there should be one here on the other side, which is actually missing. This is new. This is the first time I get something like that, so it means someone tried to repair this lens before and then somehow they didn't manage. So screw here, also loose. So okay, when I bought the lens, beside the fungus, the owner said it was unsharp, so I wonder if they just mess with the alignment. So I will check that later, but then for our case we're just going to take care of the cleaning of the fungus. And then here, let's assume we have the second screw. We'll remove it, and then with that you will be able to simply pull the front of this lens, and then let's put it here. I put the rubber here, and then I can see some dirt in here, so that we simply can blow away. And then that's part of the job which is done. Then here we are going to put the cover, and then we can concentrate on the fungus. Fungus cleaning is extremely easy. What you need is a good fungus killer element, and then I have this recipe I make myself, and then you can find it on this video. And then I'm just picking my black glass at the same time. Okay, it does not protrude, so I can put it safely, and then here you get a good view of the fungus. So what I'm going to do now is to put a little drop of my lens cleaning fluid, well, the one I prepare for the fungus. Just a small drop does the job, and then most people usually hate this when I do it with my finger, but then we'll need to clean anyway later. So in my opinion this is not a big deal. And then here we spread the solution, let it sit for maybe a minute or so, and then once you're done you simply come and dry it. Here you go, no fungus. I paid like $25 for this lens, and then as you can see the job is taking less than 5 minutes. So now with that done, we just simply need to come and do a final cleaning just to remove any traces of the other product. And then to do that I take this product here that you can find on the video description, or another one. They work pretty much the same, so no need to worry about either of the other or the other. Okay, looks very clean to me. So we simply need to put it back again in position, and then there is one slot there. Okay, just let me maybe zoom out a bit. And then we take over. So there is this small kind of slot here, and then there is one opening here. So it is quite obvious that this guy is going to match there. And here you go, we can put the screw, we remove it just before, and then now it screws easily. Then as before, if you have the second one you have to put it here, you stick it again. If it doesn't hold like this, you can use some tape, just a bit of tape, so then do the job. Then to make life easy, and then put the rubber back, we go through the small diameter. And then here you go, this is how you remove fungus from a Nikkor 24mm 120 VR version. So this is all I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.